Hello, my name is Agnese and I'm the next presenter. I'm from RIXC Center for New Media Culture. And I will just shortly present you our brand new projects, which is more about the artistic interventions towards the Green Europe, renewable energy team and techno-ecology team. But 2 years ago, we had a really large scale festival and exhibition called Green. First of all, gathered together scientists and artists, which employed notion of green by providing a cross-disciplinary platform for the discussions and artistic interventions, exploring the most paradoxical and broadest topics of our times, like, for example, the meaning of the green. Maybe green is not so green as we are thinking about it. And the main topics was during this festival was green and green. It's more connected with the symbolic green, bipolitics and ecotopia. It's beyond the Anthropocene towards multi-species relation. Then green intelligence, environment, and naturally artificial intelligence with then algorithmic societies. The next topic was post-anthropocenic visions in nature, culture, and eco-critique. Sensible green beyond the visual, acoustic, reflective, chemical, biosphere and technosphere, prismatic color, more color theories, light and perception. And also artists invited participate in this exhibition more addressed the green as perspective, the green as medium, the green as material, and the green as biological meaning of the green. And I will show you just short movie about this exhibition just to get this visual impact. Do you hear the sound? And yeah, the artists were performing the chemical processes recreating greenness, and artistic research and reflections about the urban human interactions with the nature. And also, like here, Jan Peter Zontag, he is more connected with the physics meaning of the color.
I'm sorry, Agnese, but we can't hear the audio if it's white.
Okay. Yeah, this is the Should I then share my screen again?
Yes, probably.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But there's no video at the moment now.
I don't see the video.
Oh no, it's okay.
This is Okay, and last, also we are inviting usually the young artists to perform in our final program of the festival. And this was the program Sensible Garden. And particularly young artists worked with developed the project where performing listening, sensing and visualizing experiments during their field works, which happened in Karlsruhe and Riga, and particularly addressing the issues such as renewable energy, sustainability and biodiversity. Last year, we organized Ecodata Festival and exhibition, and it was also an issue for us because it was completely online, the festival, and the main issues was biological, social, and techno-scientific systems living with the digital data, artistic, and scientific approaches. And also artists invited to participate in this exhibition using digital technologies, scientific methods, environmental data, just create completely new and different aesthetics just to raise awareness of the ecological. And one of the artworks which already presented previously, just shortly, by RIXC artists Rasa, SMITE and Ideathon's Atmospheric Forest. It's immersive installation that visualizes the complex relations between a forest and climate changes and atmosphere. And also the last year we have this young artist program just continuing our biosensing project group, and it was virtual journey through the virtual environments on the individual virtual biosensing projects, which was produced during the lockdown situation in Karlsruhe. And the current new website, virtual art platform, immersive.rixc.org, and you are invited to visit it because there are a lot of virtual excursions, 360, 100 degrees video tours, interviews with the artists, video and photo documentations, and a lot and many more. And for example, under the RIXC gallery exhibitions, one of the exhibitions by Kristina Krause-Slutska, who will lead the workshop today, called Orgotopia, and it's also connected with the ecology team. And it was the manipulative study of the resistance of plants made by influencing particularly their physiology and for several months. And then Kristina developed audio, acoustic and kinetic objects. And the second one was Lidija Zanarit, also Latvian artist, and she particularly worked, explores the aesthetics of the instant noodles. And just recently, we also launched the RIXC Art residency, particularly rural residency. And the first launched performance was Forest Garden Greenhouse live concert. We invited several sound artists from Latvia and Germany, and it was live concert for tomatoes and pine tree. And now it's developed as forest laboratory for the RIXC artists and others, just to work on simulation of climate changes. Yeah. Thank you, and follow the immersive.rixc.org.
Great, thank you, Agnese. Thank you, Susa. Thank you, Valeria and Fatima. Thank you all for wonderful presentations. It's a good feeling to see that all these many initiatives are around in many countries of Europe.